morning from Paris, guys. We arrived here yesterday afternoon. Yesterday was a very tiring day. It took us a while to go from the airport to our Airbnb. So today is our first day here. It's the morning now, and I thought I would show you our Airbnb. It's a very Parisian apartment, so I think you're going to really like it. So I'm going to go to the entrance and show you the full apartment. So here is the main door, and this is what you see when you stand here. On the right we have a door to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's a very spacious bathroom. It has a bathtub, and generally the whole apartment is very big and spacious. Here is the sink, of course. This is the skincare that I brought with me. I used this face cream from Believe today for the first time, and I really liked it. It's this one, it's the Aqua Bomb. I think it's a very hyped product. I'm going to continue to use it while I'm here, but as a first impression, I really liked it. This is all the other things that I brought. Of course, my Clinique Take the Day of Cleansing Balm. And then moving on, here we have a full body mirror, really useful. Then here is the kitchen. One little problem with the apartment is that the floor is wooden and it's quite old, so it makes a little bit of noise, but it's not a major problem, of course. So here is our kitchen. Cute little kitchen, but it has pretty much everything you need. It has stove, an oven, it has many different kitchen tools that we can use. So yeah, I like it. It's really cute. And then moving on here is the main part of the apartment. Here is the living room. There's my brother. And we have two quite big couches. It has TV. Here we have a desk and a dining table, fridge and a fireplace. The whole apartment has three different fireplaces. It has one here, it also has one there, and it also has one in the bedroom where I'm going now. So here is the bedroom. It's a very simple bedroom, but I really like it. I really like the whole interior of the apartment. I think it's very how can I put it, very interesting. And also here's the view from our windows. Very classic Parisian architecture. So yeah, this is our Airbnb. I think it's very cute, very pretty, and has a very unique character, you know. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. It's also very bright and quiet, so yeah, I really like it. So now we're going to head out. We're going to spend the day at Le Marais today. I really want to explore that part of the city. So I'm here with Farah. Had a delicious lunch. She took me to a Japanese place, and we had such a good food. We did. Yeah, it was so good. I'm glad you liked it. Yeah, it was so good. I'm going to leave your links down below if you want to check them out. There's also Cheryl. She also has a YouTube channel, and her links are also going to be down below. We're on our way to Notre Dame now. The weather is really good today, very warm and sunny. I took off my long sleeve top because it's so hot today. But we're in a really lovely area right now. I don't know exactly how it's called, but let me show you. So here we are. This is the river, and here's everything else. Really lovely. I think we're about 5 to 10 minutes to Notre Dame by walking now. It's a really lovely day to walk, so yeah, we'll go there by walking. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I just got ready to take some outfit photos here at our lovely balcony. And I'm also going to vlog today, and I think I'm going to combine the 2 days into one video, because today we have some really exciting plans as well. So I think today, first we're going to go to a showroom presentation of a designer, then we're going to go to Arc de Triomphe and also to Champs-Élysées. I'm probably butchering everything with the pronunciation, but anyway. And then we're going to go to the Eiffel Tower. I really want to go to the Eiffel Tower at the sunset. I think it's going to be amazing to watch the sunset there. So yeah, I think this is going to be our day. It's around 12 now, so we kind of have a later start of the day today. But we're going to be out until really late, so I think it's okay. Arc de Triomphe. There it is. It's so hot today, guys. I think it's hotter than yesterday. It's like 25 degrees Celsius. It's crazy.